Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of TheRealNesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it. Hey, you guys, I picked up an awesome deal this Black Friday. I picked up the ASUS 14-inch laptop with the Intel Celeron in it. It's at 4020 and 4020, 4 gig of RAM, 64 gigabyte MMC Star Black Edition. This thing is gorgeous. I love it. Let's open this baby up in search of incredible. I like that. And right here, you see they got a nice little cover on the laptop. Let's go to the right over here. Oh, yep, they got this is like the power cord. So the power cord is on the right. Laptops don't come with too much these days. It says 14 inches on the screen, Intel Pentium, Windows 11 Home S mode, 4 gigabytes of RAM come with it. It's got the Star Black color. They call it the Star Black. And yeah, let's go. You know, we got the instruction manuals and everything right underneath there. We just put them on the side. Let's get to the main event. I like this box though, man. This box got little sections. Let me see. Anything else hidden? Anything else hidden in here? Nah. Okay, nah, that's all that's in here. I'm gonna double check that later. But let's get to the main event. Here we go right now. Let's get this baby out of here. Call it Star Black. See how it got a little shine to it. It's not like black. They call it Star Black ASUS. I love this thing. Oh yeah, it's feeling good right here. Let's flip this baby over. This is basically the unboxing. Y'all already know how a computer works, so I ain't gonna go through all of that. We just gonna open it. Ooh, look at that screen. Good gracious, you guys. Open this baby up. Got another little static-free paper right there. Hey, the best thing I like about this thing is that see how they got the number pads right on the computer right here. It's flat right on the computer, right in the front there. As you can see on that side, you got your USB 2.0 port. And the other side, you'll see you got your 3.2 Gen 1 port, 3.2 Gen Type-C, the headphone jack, the power cord, and the HDMI output. And look, another thing I like about this thing is that, look, it's completely foldable back. It's not a tablet, so you can't flip it all the way over, but you can fold it all the way back to its lie flat. So I don't really know what you would use it for. I have to experiment with that, but it's a little feature that's added on there. You can fold it all the way back like that. Also, you know, everything else is there. Everything else is pretty much normal on the keyboard, you know. Lightweight. It's very lightweight. Powers up. ASUS, a great computer. Hey, as always, I definitely will have a link to this in the description. Hopefully you guys are looking at this video. This is November 29th. Catch these deals all the way for the next month. You can get a great deal on it. It's a great computer. It's actually a great kids computer, teenagers computer, entry-level computer. Definitely what you want to get. Awesome deal. Awesome deal. Link is in the description. ASUS. You definitely want to get this baby. Black Friday, Cyber Monday, anything you can catch, Christmas, New Year's,